Today was kind of special day because I met the band Hashima.
Story with La Buissonne Studios and Hashima begins a few years ago when we started thinking where could we master the second Hashima album.
So they arrived and I opened the door and say, oh Igor, nice to meet you, because every member of the band are like big guys with big instruments on the roof of the car. That were something quite funny for beginning with the day.
He has done 7 versions of mastering for that album. It was really long process, and in these long mails somehow humanity happened, some connection between people and understanding. In a way, everything that we said he understood, and we understood also everything he also have said.
It was really funny, and one after another, it was kind of friendship that was passing through the mails, and I really appreciated that episode.
Just by chance, we applied for a concourse for new jazz bands in Avignon.
And maybe 1 year later, I received a mail from Igor telling me we will come to Avignon because we will play in Avignon Jazz Festival.
And then we were accepted in the final of this evening to play, and we held this concert in the really amazing ancient place, like a castle, and it was really something special.
So I was really surprised, and I say, yeah, it's great. And they say, okay, so do you have an available date so we can record in La Buissonne? And I looked at the schedule of the studio and I say, yeah, we can record on the first Sunday of August. So I think we all were waiting for that time.
But when it came to coming here to La Buissonne to record, we entered the studio without any kind of experience similar to that.
Then we settled every microphone, and I was expecting something cool, and we had time for record one or a couple of songs. And it was quite quick and slow at the same time, so it was nice.
At least right now, when the part of the album is recorded here, we don't know exactly what's the quality, but what we know is that human connection was something really special for us. Each take, Nicolas was giving everything we wanted, and La Buissonne studio turned out to be like more than a dream come true for us. We actually came here even without preparing totally these 3 compositions that we decided to record here, and with the thought that maybe one we will record actually. And that's what I told Nicolas, like, we have 1 song to record, then maybe 2, then 3. Then we said half a day recording, then we in the end ended up with a whole day of recording of those 3 songs, and it was really amazing experience.
really happy, and I'm looking forward for the next episode of the third album of Hashima, and
We're gonna do the mastering.
I'm sure.
Experience of all of the bandmates, Vanya, double bass player, Alexander, drummer, and Serjan, tenor, saxophone player. They're all amazed. They're still, just doing like, wow, man, this was so good experience. We must visit Avignon and Nicolas again and have such a good time. And next time, of course, we decide next time, and we will come here. We record the whole album.
It's a French proverb, but maybe it exists in Serbia. We say in French, jamais deux sans trois, which means never twice without a third time. So I'm sure we will meet again, and it will be one more experience to add to that story that is really a nice story, I feel.
Tout le monde applaudit Hashima.